Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. Wanted to introduce Jason. Jason has been with us for every bit of, what is this, day number 3?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's so awesome. So Jason, you're going to the local Votech right now, learning about auto collision, auto repair, different things like that, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And how long have you been in that program?
I started on August 27th of this year.
August 27th of this year?
Yes, sir.
I can remember that. It's my anniversary. So, but that, anyhow, we digress. So, let me ask you a question. Why did you decide to become a mechanic or pursue the auto industry, the blue collar trades? What's intriguing about this? This is a Chevy pickup, right? What intrigued you about this?
It used to be just a hobby, doing it with my father and grandpa, working in the shop, growing up, and then it just became a habit growing up and started wanting to do my own thing, build my own vehicles, make cool shit, you know.
Okay. So what's the first vehicle or first lawnmower? Or what's the first thing you ever took apart?
A small block Chevy 350.
How old was you?
I was 10 years old when we tore it down.
Okay. Was you, meaning you and your dad?
Me and my dad.
Okay. And you put it back together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you still have it?
I actually do. It's sitting in the back of my garage right now.
Does it run?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Very good. And what kind of engine, or what's that engine in?
That engine is in a 66 Caprice.
Okay. So obviously we don't work on 66 Caprices here, right? But the basics of learning how to do general mechanics, and think about it, how awesome is it that he's able to do that at 10 years old with your dad?
It's awesome. Most people, even 20, 30, don't even know how to do it. So
Yeah.
being at a young age, being able to do it it's a blessing.
Well, not everybody gets the opportunity to have a dad at 10 years old either, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome. Very good. We'll see you in the next video.